Comparison of numbers with different digits. The number which has more digits is a greater number. All one-digit numbers are smaller than any two-digit numbers. All two-digit numbers are smaller than any three-digit number. Let us take an example and compare 98 and 112. The number 112 has 3 digits and 98 has only 2 digits. So, number 112 is greater than 98. We write it as 112 is greater than 98. Comparison of numbers with equal digits. If the number of digits are equal, compare the digit in the hundreds place. The number which has a greater digit in the hundreds place is greater. Now let us compare 123 and 200. 2 is greater than 1. So the number 200 is greater than 123 and we write it as 200 is greater than 123. We can also say 123 is less than 200. Here children, you can see the box ones, tens, hundred. So ones means nothing but units. Ones means units. Comparison of numbers with equal digits. If the digit in the hundreds place are same, compare the digits in the tens place. The number which has the greater digit in the tens place is the greater number. Now let us compare by taking one example. Compare 156 and 131. Here 100 place is same, so we will compare the digit in the tens place. 5 is definitely greater than 3, so the number 156 is greater than 131 and we read it as 156 is greater than 131. We can also say it as 131 is less than 156. Comparison of numbers with equal digits. If the digit in the hundreds and the tens place are same, then we have to compare the digit in the ones place, that is units place. The number that has the greater digit in the ones place is the greater number. Let us compare 165, that is 165 and 168. Now here the hundred place is same as well as the tens place is also same. So let us compare the ones place digits 5 and 8, wherein we already know that 8 is greater than 5. So here we can write it as 8 is greater than 5. So the number 168 is greater than 165. And we can say it as, or write it as, you can say 168 is greater than 165. We can also say it as 165 is smaller or less than 168. Compare 326 and 326. The digits in the hundreds place, tens place and the ones place, that is units place, are all the same. So, (326) is equal to 326. Write greater than, smaller than or equal to sign in the boxes provided. That means you have to put the symbols of greater than, smaller than or equal to in the given boxes. The first one is 312 and 483. Now children, think which number is greater. First here we'll compare the hundred place. One side is 3 in the hundred place, the other side is 4 in the hundred place. Now we know that 4 is greater than 3. So here our number 483 is greater than 312. So let us put the symbol of greater than. The next number is 761 and 683. Definitely 7 is greater than 6. So 761 number is greater than 683. Now let us see the next number. 419 and 547. Now here 5 and 4 comparison, 5 is greater. So 547 is greater than 419. The next number 416 and again 419. So if 100 place is same, we will compare the tens place, wherein tens place is also same. So we will compare the units place, that is 6 and 9, wherein 9 is greater. So 419 is greater than 416. Let us see the next number, 408 and 308. Naturally 408 is greater than 308. Let us see the next number, 394 and 387, wherein 9 is greater than 8. So 394 is greater than 387. Now next number is 387 with 487. 4 is greater in 100 place. So 487 number is greater than 387. Now come on, let's see the next number. 782 with again 782. Means they are both same. All the digits are same. So they are equal to. 782 is equal to 782. 512 again is equal to 512. 983 and 990. Here tens place, compare the numbers. 9 is greater, so 990 is greater than 983. So children, we have come to an end of today's session. I hope you have understood the topic very well. Keep practicing. Bye.